Welcome to the Google Forms tutorial. So there's a couple ways you can access it. First, I don't know what you call these, 9 dots or whatever. You look for Google Forms. It's the purple icon. I have it down here. Or you could Google search Google Forms. I'm going to click that. And let's go to Google Forms. And so I've made a bunch of different forms for various things, but we're probably going to want to start from fresh. So let's start a new form. And our goal in this project is to make a survey to send out asking students or asking anyone about a certain question. It has to be multiple choice. And I think I told you you have to include 5 different options. And so I'm just going to call it survey. You can even fill out a description. Please fill out my form for my algebra class project. Okay, and so what we can do is, well, let's label, this is going to be our question, and you only need one question. So this is kind of where you type it out. And so what do I want to ask? Let's just do, what is your favorite color? Now again, you should try to be creative. This is a test grade, and there's some points for creativity, and I think I can tell if someone really tried on this or not. And so we need at least 5 options. So let's do red, and then so they give you these options here, and you can type in whatever. Now, if you're not on a multiple choice question, up here is where you choose a type of question that you have, and you probably want to pick multiple choice. That's the easiest. And so we have multiple choice. You click on this kind of question, this box to edit it. And so now I need to keep typing in different colors. Blue, and you click this right here to add option. So this will give me an option 3. Green, option 4. Orange. Let's do option 5 is purple. And then there is an option to add other, and that's a good idea, because obviously there's colors, there's other colors, there's tons and tons of different colors if people are being specific, you know. For instance, black, brown, gray aren't on there, you know, burgundy, offset white, you know, just random things like that. And so I'm going to add other option, and that means they can just fill in what other, or they can just click other, okay? And now you can make it required, although that won't really change anything because hopefully people are filling it out for you. And now what you do, this is your survey. It has the one question you need. You need to take a screenshot of your survey for your project, so you can screenshot it on your Chromebook. You can look up how to do that. I'm on a Mac, so it's different. So you can screenshot it, put it on the doc which you're going to throw everything on your project on. But then you want to send out your form. And so honestly what I would do is I would make a link, shorten URL, copy that, and let's make a brand new email. I don't know if I can without I just don't want to show my email. Let's go to Classroom, and it'd be a good idea to email the people in your section. So for instance, this section right here, there's 10 students, and I listed their emails. And so you could, I believe, just copy this and send this out. Include form and email. You could do that, otherwise it'd give a link to it. And then you could click send, okay? And if that doesn't work, you might have to type out, or you might have to copy and paste names individually. So just copy one, paste it, copy another, paste it. I think copying all of them should work. And then you send it out. And so I'm going to actually take this survey so you guys can kind of see. what your responses look like, because that'll be important for tomorrow. So copy. Let's send that to SewardSchools.org. I invited you to fill out the form. Let's send it. See if I get it. Did on my phone. So I'm going to take this survey on my phone, and then hopefully you'll get something in responses. Okay, maybe I'm not going to do it. Aaron.blursh@SewardSchools.org. Not going to say my password out loud. I know better than that. And so I'm going to say my favorite color is red. Why not? Submit. So the instant I click submit, I have one response. And so if you click on these responses in your tab, only you can see this. But look, it already makes a pie chart for you. And so what I would recommend doing is once everyone fills it out, you already have a graph made. Sometimes it throws out a bar graph. Sometimes it throws out a pie chart. I'm not really sure when it does. I'd have to look it up, but in the notes I wanted it, you could choose which one. And so I would honestly just choose the one that they give you. And so once everyone fills this out, you already have your chart. And so you have the first 3 parts of your project done. So it just really counts on you making the survey, sending it out to people. You could send it to parents, family, friends. I think the students in your section would be pretty easy too. And that way, if you just do the 10 in your thing, you have 9 surveys to fill out for other people, and so do they. And then all your classmates get some feedback. Okay. I suppose you could fill yours out once. Please only do it once. Don't just make up things. So I can answer what my favorite color is. I think that's fair. And then it's just as easy as taking a screenshot of this pie chart, throwing it up there. Obviously, your pie chart would look a little better than mine because mine only has one response. But with that, hopefully that makes sense. Make sure you guys show up to that Zoom at 2 p.m. today to get other questions answered about this project. But I will see you guys tomorrow.